Total 5 and up to you 6.
5.
Low error. And earlier, how many were present?
Earlier 5.
Today, only 5 students were present.
No,
No, no, no, no.
before class.
Oh,
So,
before.
which subject? Earlier, there was English, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In English, how many bache log were present? Hai?
First of all, there were 10 or 11 and 3 left and how many became? 8 became, yeah?
And then those 3 also left. Now again 6 became. Oh my God. After some time, 3 will leave and 3 will remain, and afterwards everybody will remain, and nobody clap, 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 right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, he's saying yes, sir. I think I should turn to eliminate our Samik sir first. He's going to say, okay, bye, bye. Samik sir, you tell me what did we discuss last time?
So we discussed that about classification of some plants according to 5 kingdoms.
Okay. So how many plants were classified? Tell me.
6.
6. Okay. There are altogether 6 students. Now they will get one. Okay. Now first, Samik sir, your turn. First L plant you can choose.
Which plant, sir?
First Spirogyra you can do.
Spirogyra kingdom plant division algae type Spirogyra and characteristic they are mostly aquatic.
Good. Now Rosen, your turn.
So,
Moss.
most kingdom plant division bryophyta type most they need water for fertilization.
Okay. They need water for fertilization. I saw earlier Sumi Thapa. Oh, Sumi, are you present? Sumi. Gayab. Oh, Dipasna, your turn now.
Fern kingdom plant division Tracheophyta subdivision Pteridophyta type fern characteristic it shows alternation of generation.
Good, it shows alternation generation. Now here I can see black shadow. Who is this? Oh, black shadow.
I think
Black
Ramesh.
shadow.
Ramesh, sir.
Ramesh, sir, I think that is.
But the shadow is not there. Oh, Ramesh Thapa.
Hazir ho,
Ramesh
sir.
Thapa, Hazir ho.
Both.
Not Hazir. What do you do? Okay. Now, Sarika, your turn.
Cycus, kingdom Planetia, division Tracheophyta, subdivision Gynosphere, and characteristic, they bear cones instead of flowers.
Yeah, they bear cones instead of flowers. That's right. Now again, turn of Samiksha came. Okay, Samiksha, what are you going to read?
Now maize kingdom plant division Tracheophyta subdivision and angiosperm class monocotyledon type maize and its characteristic it has fibrous root.
It has fibrous root. Right now, Monisha Thapa took look appeared. Oh, Monisha, now your turn to classify mustard. Brother, Prasanna also took look at him. Monisha, your turn. Mustard.
Page number.
Page number and she's showing her teeth. And Dipasna, raise your hand. What happened, Dipasna?
Nothing, it was being mistakenly.
Love her. My mistake, hand goes up. Okay, Prasanna, your turn now. Classify mustard.
Kingdom plantain, division Tracheophoria, Tracheophyta, subdivision angiosperm, class dicotyledon.
And characteristic?
They have taproot.
Yeah, taproot. And students, I had given you homework. Have you done the homework or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
But everybody has not submitted. Why I'm saying yes, sir? To say yes, sir.
Submitted, sir.
Sir, submitted.
Submitted, sir.
Submitted.
Submitted, sir.
Because that is time-bound activity. Within a particular time, you have to do your work and submit. Next thing, students. Now I want to remind one thing. What is that? What is taught in your class, it is recorded, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This recording will remain in Microsoft Team for 20 days only. But
Sir, where will it be? We will never find that.
Yes, sir.
now listen, I'm telling you.
There will.
Are you using laptop or mobile?
Mobile.
Mobile.
Laptop.
Oh. Yeah, if you are using in mobile, then it will be difficult to get there. Those who are using mobile, so they have to go to particular team. Like my team is right now Science 9, isn't it? So
Yes,
if
sir.
you go in Science 9, there is meeting. So meeting is given. So this work can be done by Pratifal. Pratifal, can you
Yes,
hear me?
sir. Yes, sir.
So Pratifal, you download the videos. Okay, you download the videos,
Sir, where will
and
it be?
after downloading, you can upload them in Microsoft Streams. Microsoft Streams. But
Sir, in
if you
Microsoft Teams.
upload
Okay,
in
sir.
Microsoft Streams, then it will be long lasting. It will not disappear. So from tomorrow, Pratifal will download the taught video and he will upload in Microsoft Streams and he will give you the location. Pratifal, can you do that work?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Please.
Is Microsoft Streams another application or is it inside Microsoft Teams?
It is inside Microsoft Team only.
Okay, sir.
So, Babu, listen. So, near to calendar or something like that, down there are 3 dots.
Yes, I know. I have seen.
Yeah, click on that dots, and there comes Microsoft Streams. And if you click there, it will say upload video. Just before uploading, write the name like classification organisms, this section, classification organisms, this section. If so, your gentle friends, they can identify easily and look being condition, right, Samiksha?
Sir, from today onward,
Yes.
Yeah,
uh,
from today onwards you can do. Not only that, so let's go and check how many videos you can download and upload in the Microsoft Streams. That is number one. Number second is sometimes the teacher may forget to record the video. If the teacher has not recorded, then it will be difficult because no video will be over there. So every time you just check in the screen whether your video is being recorded or not. So what about your science? Is it being recorded? Will you check there?
Yes,
yes,
sir. It's
sir.
recorded.
Yes, sir. It is recording.
It's recording means it will be recorded. It is
Sir, why
dynamic
you
recording.
record the video?
Yeah, teacher will record. So if
Or the teacher
the teacher
haven't
forgets,
record.
no, you should not record. The teacher will record. But sometimes the teacher may forget. At that time, you have to say, excuse me, sir, you have not recorded the video. Will you record? Then the teacher will record. It's not so difficult work. It's not very heavy load to carry from one place to another. Just find out, start recording and click plaka. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Monisha Thapa.
Bhumika is asking help for me to join her class, so can I help her for some time?
Why not? Why not? You can help Bhumika, you can help Neha, you can help Ramita, you can help Babita. Everybody, and let the number be increased. Okay, Samiksha?
We
Yes,
can't.
sir.
Because our classroom became very small. Oh, Bantang Bundung are studying what to do. We need grand number of students, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But it is not
If
able
more
to.
number of students study, then we feel Dil garden. Out of 37, only 7 are studying. What is this? Oh, garden. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will forward our lesson. And last time I had shown displayed the chart. Could you remember what was in the chart?
About that animal.
Animal kingdom. Listen, basically animals are divided into two categories. They are invertebrates and vertebrates. Animals without backbone, animals with backbone. And without backbone, with backbone, they are divided into some groups. They are called phyla. Students, singular is phylum, plural is phyla. Phylum. Phylum is singular and plural is phylum. So those things you have to remember. And what are the 8 phyla of invertebrates? So attendees are 10, but 3 students gayab. What is this? 2 are gayab. Why? One is Manisha. What happened to this Sumi Thapa? She comes to Plukka, runs away Pukluka. Why? And she is showing only half part of our face. Why? Show your full body. Full body means that your face. Why are you showing only some part only? Oh, Sumi, go little bit right. Little right. Keep doing like this. Now, can you see me?
No, sir.
Yes, here you can see. You are there, then you must be visible, no? Go a little bit more. You can check your camera. I'm confused. They are acting as if they are nursery students. A for apple, B for ball, S for Sumi, T for Thapa. Okay. The 8 phyla are Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthis, Nemahelminthis, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata. Are you looking at the book? Or not? And in vertebrates, there is one phylum that is Chordata. One phylum Chordata. And Chordata is further divided into 4 subphyla. They are Hemichordata, Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. Vertebrata. And Vertebrata has got 5 classes. What are those classes? Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. Look at this, Sumi. Narad disappeared. Again came. What is she doing? Now, students, at first we'll be studying Porifera. So, it's the duty of Dipasna to read the Porifera portion. Come on.
Phylum Porifera. The term Porifera, LT, porous equals to pore plus fere equals to bear, means pore bear animals. The members of this phylum are called the first multicellular diploblastic animals. They have many pores in their body and commonly called sponges. Most of the sponges are marine, except Spongilla. The general characteristics are given below. They do not.
Okay. Porifera means those animals which contain small pores, holes in their body. Okay, remember, the main characteristic is they contain small holes, and the other name of Porifera is sponge, Sponge. Okay, make concept clear. Now Ramesh Thapa is going to read some characteristics.
They don't move from place to place. Sponges have two types of pores in their body. Small pores are called ostia and large pores are called osculum. Their body may radically or radically present spongy fiber, calcium and silk makes their body rigid and stronger.
Okay, now if we talk about the characteristics of Porifera, these Porifera contain two types of holes or pores in their body. Small pores are called ostia. In their whole body, there are small pores, they are ostia, and one large hole is there. It is called osculum. So that is main characteristic. Please tick it. Did you tick that characteristic? Second characteristic is these animals are sessile. Sessile. It means they cannot move from one place to another. If you write two characteristics, it is enough. You have to remember. And examples of Porifera are Cycon, Spongilla. Cycon and Spongilla. So look at the book and then underline the things that is discussed in your class. So Porifera is completed, and I think this Ramesh phone has got quite problem in the mic. Whenever he reads something, then the sound of pressure cooker, cha, choo, it comes. You have to maintain it. Eh? Now the great who is here? Ah, the great Saurika. Would you read Coelenterata? Saurika, your turn.
Yes, sir. The Trompe-Cylindrata LT coal is equals to cavity is equals to intron is equals to intestine plus atta is equals to group means group of animal whose body is provided with a central cavity with Coelenterata. Most of the animals are marine except Hydra. Hydra is a freshwater animal. The study of Coelenterata is called cylindrology.
No, what
Sir,
is the
how to
spelling?
spell?
Spelling, can you tell me?
Cnidology.
Nidology. Okay, now listen.
Nidology?
Yeah, when we talk about animals, the poorly developed, very less developed animals are Porifera, and slightly more developed than Porifera are Coelenterata. So Coelenterata, how did they get name? They get name from hollow cavity. These animals contain mouth. Very interesting. Animals belonging to Coelenterata contain mouth, but no anus. Their mouth and anus is same. Food goes from this hole and waste also comes from same hole. Oh my God, what is this? Not so much well developed. Next one is, these animals are mostly marine. Marine means they are found in salty water. And Bhumika, did she join Manisha Thapa?
No, sir. No, sir, there was problem.
Oh, why problem? So you should not
Good.
be. You just talk with professor, and professor will help. Okay.
Yes, I have already told him.
Okay. So most of the animals of Coelenterata are marine, means they are found in salty water, but Hydra is found in fresh water. Marine water means the water of sea, ocean, etc. And fresh water means the water of river, lake, pond, etc. Okay. Okay. So, Saurika, did you read the characteristics of
No,
Coelenterata?
sir.
Okay. First characteristic.
The body of Coelenterata is hollow with a true terrible cavity with a coelentray. This very people. This sir, what is last one? Coelenterata.
Coelenteron means hollow cavity. Hollow cavity means there is mouth and one long tube but no anus. That is called coelenteron. Okay, hollow cavity. Next one.
The mouth serves for both ingestion and ingestion.
Okay, now there is given ingestion and egestion. What does it mean? When we take food inside, that is called ingestion. When we throw waste material outside, that is called egestion. In case of Coelenterata, same hole acts for entering the food and throwing out the waste. That is first characteristic. Second characteristic.
Their mouth is surrounded by tentacles with the help of locomotions and capturing for prey.
Okay. If you look at the diagram, you can see in the hydra, there are long threads that surround the mouth. Those threads are called tentacles, and there are 6 to 11 tentacles. Remember, 6 to 11 tentacles, and those tentacles help in locomotion, means move from one place to another. Number second, they help in catching their food. Those thread-like structures catch the food and help to put in the mouth so that Hydra can take the taste of that lovely, yummy food. Okay, that
Excuse me,
is
sir.
clean.
So there are other characteristics in my book.
Yeah, why not? Why not? Next characteristic. Who is going to read now? Pratibha. Okay, come on.
They have stinging cells called nidoblast, which help in food capture, offense, defense, and attachment.
Okay. Now I'll tell you. Study of Coelenterata is called nidology. It was said earlier, and they have a kind of special cells. Stinging cells means they can produce poisonous substance, so that when there is their food prey, they produce that poisonous substance, and due to that poisonous substance, the prey becomes unconscious or may die, and they can eat their prey easily. They can take their prey. Next point.
They have stinging cells called nitoblasts.
No, don't.
Names.
Next one now.
The Nemocast are mainly concerned with food capturing, offense, defense, and attachment. They are active by touch.
They active by
Touch.
touch. Yeah. When somebody or when something touches it, nidoplasts become active. Without touching, they do not. Next point.
They are dipoplastic animal.
They are diploblastic animal. What does it mean by diploblastic? Any idea? Diploblastic means in their body there are two layers. Their body contains two layers. Outer layer is called ectoderm and inner layer is called endoderm. So now I cannot share my screen from this mobile phone. Next day you remind me, I will be showing that ectoderm and endoderm in a diagram, then it will be easy. For example, if you talk about our body contains outside skin, then muscle, then fat, then bones, isn't it? In the skin also there are some layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, dermis, epidermis, connective tissue, like that. So in case of Coelenterata, their body is divided into two layers. Outer layer is called ectoderm and inner layer is called endoderm. Is that okay? So if you remember these much characteristics, it is enough. We should not go in detail, reading 7, 8 characteristics and writing in exam 0. Read concrete characteristics and write those characteristics. So the main characteristic of Coelenterata is they contain a hollow cavity called coelenteron. Will you underline that?
Yes, sir.
Number second, they have tentacles surrounding the mouth, which helps for locomotion and capturing the prey. If you remember these two characteristics, that is enough. Now, what are the
What was the
examples
first
of the
one?
animals that belong to Coelenterata? Animals that belong to Coelenterata: hydra, jellyfish,
Jellyfish, tree anemone,
sea anemone.
flora,
So, okay,
right.
underline this, okay? Now, we have completed Porifera, Coelenterata. It's time to discuss Platyhelminthis. So, Platyhelminthis means these animals are flat. Platy means flat worms. So, characteristics, Rosen, I saw him, but I think he might have gone to Violet. Not to Violet, he's still there. Okay, come on. Samiksha ran away. Oh my God, why?
Sir, I am
Rosen,
here.
Rosen, will you read the characteristics of Platyhelminthis?
The flat bones are soft and they are flat either like a leaf or tap. Their head is
It means
provided with
the
a
animals that belong to Platyhelminthis, they have got shape like a leaf or like a tape, long tape. That's why one worm is there, very dangerous worm, tapeworm. If you are pork lover, if you are pig meats lover, and if you do not eat the pork properly, if you eat the pork which is not properly cooked, then you will be attacked by one kind of worm. It is very lengthy. Its length is near about 7 meters. It can attack to you and you will be very, very weak. And if the person does not get treatment on time, then there will be halvatitis. Person may die also. And if the people do not eat if the people eat the meat which is not properly cooked, but meat of sheep, then they may suffer from liver fluke. These are dangerous. But mainly remember, their shape is like leaf or one characteristic done. Second characteristic, what is that, Rosen?
they have mouth but no anus.
We have mouth but no anus. Okay, that is also very interesting characteristics of Platyhelminthis. It means
They are
they are such animals which take food but do not throw waste materials. Okay, because they are parasite. I think next point there must be given parasite. Yeah, mostly they are
they are Triproplastic animals. Blast.
They are okay. They are triploplastic animal. What does it mean by triploplastic?
The body consists of three joints.
Here, remember. Look at me. Look at me. Triploblastic means their body contains two layers. Try to make concept clear, right? Diploblastic means their body contains two layers. Triploblastic means their body contains three layers. Diploblastic, two layers. Triploblastic, three layers. In diploblastic, there is ectoderm and endoderm. Ectoderm and endoderm. In triploblastic, three layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Okay. Now, what are the examples of Platyhelminthis? Rosen. Rosen, what are the characteristics? No, examples of Platyhelminthis? He stopped speaking. Pradipal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, examples of Platyhelminthis.
Liver, fluke, tapeworm, planaria, etc.
Yeah, liver fluke, tapeworm, and planaria. Students, just now we discussed three phyla: Porifera, Coelenterata, and Platyhelminthis. Now I will give you some time to read. Just what to read? You have to read two characteristics of each phylum and two examples of each phylum. If I say Porifera, you have to say two characteristics, two examples. If I say Coelenterata, two characteristics, two examples. And if I say Platyhelminthis, two characteristics, two examples. Your time starts now. After some time, I'm going to ask you. Come on, read it. Start reading now. Out of 8 attendees, I can see only 6. Where are two more? Where are two more? Prasina Morgan, why don't you come? Hey. Now how many? 3, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Oh, Prasanna is fond of behind the curtain.
I was there.
Is Rosen Orial also? But your video was not visible. Why? Come on now. Time is running. After some time, I'm going to ask you. Pay attention for your study. If you make your microphone off, then how can I know that you are reading? Please make your microphone on and read.
Sir, it will be disturbed, no?
To whom? For you, it will not disturb. You are reading. You just read continuously.
He do not move from place to place. The body consists of two layers. The body they are called diploblasts. Their body consists of two layers.
Answer Thapa is not reading. Why?
Examples: Cycon spongia. They move from one to another because they are sensible. Since they are sensible,
Body surface. Examples are
small for
Porifera, Spongy, and Cyclone. Coelenterata. The body of Coelenterata is hollow and with a cuboid cavity for pollen gland. The mouth is surrounded by tentacles with a half which help for location and capturing a prey. Example Hydra, jellyfish, Platyhelminthis, whom here extra hook pattern with most focus on
They reproduce by both asexual and sexual methods. They are sensible and safe. They are
they are as a
and
in the human
they produce by both
the parasite
they produce by both sexual and asexual.
activity
They
reproduce
produce
sexual and sexual.
by
Some of them have generated marriage and
cruel,
generation
cruel,
participate. There is provided with proof for which host examples of abdomen have body of the host.
they have not known enough that is and
Their body consists of
not but know
joints,
enough.
layers,
They are
and
reproduced animals. They are
living example earthworm, flatworm.
only sector
They are isolated from are very
Are you ready? Students, are you
Sir,
ready? So who can say? You choose any one phylum and tell two characteristics and two. Come on. Who is going to say first?
sir, I will say.
Say, start, sir. No more time is there.
Sir, of which?
Any phylum you can take and tell two characteristics and two examples.
Phylum Porifera. Both sexual and asexual reproduction occurs in them. They do not move from place to place. For example, Cycon spongilla.
Good.
Etc.
Now who is going to tell about Coelenterata?
Sir, can
Me, sir.
Come on, okay.
phylum Coelenterata, they are free and sensible, and another they reproduce from both sexual and asexual method. For example, Hydra and coral.
And who is going to tell about Platyhelminthis? Please read. Who is going to read?
Their body, their phylum Platyhelminths.
Platyhelminthis.
Sir, say it again once.
Platyhelminthis. Platyhelminthis.
Platyhelminths. Um, and they are triploblastic animals. Their body consists of three germ layers: ectodermis, mesoderm, and inotoderm, and related
Ectoderm,
systematically.
mesoderm, and endoderm. Yeah.
They are usually parasite. A few of them are free living.
Yeah.
Examples: tapeworm and blood fluke, etc.
Okay. Tapeworm, liver fluke, and planaria. Students, your video is already off. I am confused. Where are you?
Our video is on, sir.
Videos are on.
Sir, our video is on.
Your video on, but I cannot see you. Where are they? No.
I think there
Sir,
might be
but we
some
can
problem.
see each other.
Yes,
Yes,
can
we
see,
can
but
see you also.
but I cannot see anybody. What is this? Anyway, so students, today's class was very wonderful, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Wonderful, super hit also, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So today we have completed 3 phyla. They are Porifera, Coelenterata, and Platyhelminthis. And please write the characteristics in 2 examples. Then you can submit in assignment. I will send you later on, but you do it on time. Today this much. Thank you. Bye bye, and have a lovely day.